How to add business location on Snapchat map. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner, you can find your avatar. Click on it. With that, you will land to the profile page. Now at the top right corner, you can find this settings icon. Click on it. Over here, you're going to find different options. Scroll down. Under privacy controls, you will see the option of see my location. Open that option. Now scroll down. You will see the option of suggest a place. Tap on it. From this page, you can easily add business location to your Snapchat map. Firstly, you can enter the name of the place. Now tap on this option. Now you have to fill these. After you fill it, heading towards next option, that is category. Select the category. Now select the attributes. Now you can add hours. If you have website of the place, you can enter over here and then type in the phone number. Also, you are able to add photo, and after you fill all these, you can click on the option of submit. And with that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily add business location on Snapchat map. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.